What's up YouTube? So today we're going to be installing my trunk spoiler for the IS. And it should be a really easy install. I already opened up the box. Looks pretty sick though. Paint looks really nice. Oh, and Frank's right now he's doing brake flush. I don't know, whatever, I don't know. Whatever, who cares? So right here we have the spoiler. It's painted 1G1 Tuscan Pro. And they did a pretty good job for it. I got it for around $180. This is really bad lighting, but the paint is like pretty much flawless. This is technically a walled style spoiler, but I went with this like the fake stuff because like it's polyurethane, and then compared to the fiberglass, it might crack, get messed up. For this I can always respray or do anything to it, so it wouldn't really matter. So first what you want to do is take off the emblem. You're going to be having to use, I think, floss. That's pretty much the easiest way to not damage the emblem. So basically you just want to take it out and then pull it behind this emblem and just peel it off the 3M. Alright, so when you install the spoiler, you're going to make sure this trunk is clean. Make sure there's no dust or any debris. So we're going to wipe it down, wash water. I'm going to wash it with water and soap. Make sure this is like perfect, so that when you put on the spoiler, it cures to the metal. I'm going to take floss and put it behind the emblem and take it out. That. And then you're going to want to peel at the 3M. And it might break sometimes, so you're going to have to redo this a lot. But it's okay.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you're going to basically pull it back with the floss while you pull back with the pry bar tool. So give us a second, we'll be right back. So honestly, the floss doesn't do shit. Make sure you use the pry bar, but to lift it up, make sure to use floss or else you might fuck up the emblem. So right now you're going to have to take all this shit out, this old 3M, make sure it's clean, and then we're going to reapply the new one onto the old badge. If you're broke like me. I ain't trying to buy a new one. It's cool. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, if you have a Dremel or maybe like pliers to take off these two, I don't know, indents that go into the car. So there's holes that go into the car to make sure the emblem stays. So you're gonna have to break them off right here. Okay? Alright, so right now you're gonna have to test fit the spoiler, and then you're gonna adjust it to your liking and then tape it. So you're gonna make sure it's even on both sides. So maybe like, is that good? I don't know. What do you think?
That's pretty good to me though. I just moved it.
Just like half a finger.
Half a finger?
Yeah. This should be good.
Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, I'm gonna take market corner.
Usually use masking tape, but we don't got that, so we use Scotch tape. So it's cool. Like that, and then we're gonna do the other side, and then right after that, you're gonna put 3M all on the bottom of this. And then I'll show you. Yeah. And after that, you're going to take 3M tape, double-sided 3M tape, and put it all across the whole spoiler to make sure it sticks. And then maybe, oh shit, maybe you want to clean it down to make sure it sticks properly, because right now when I got it, it's a little bit dusty. So you're going to take the 3M and then basically put it down. And you're going to follow the body line. Make sure this part is good. Okay, so this should be the final product after you put on the 3M, okay? And then to put it on, you're going to want to be able to peel this back and then lay it on. So you're going to want to test fit it. Make sure it's aligned correctly.
Get it out the way. Come on, man.
Damn. You make sure to grab it. And then the bottom one too.
Wait, you a little more this way? Is that good? Go all the way, right?
Oh, yo, with it.
This side's pretty flush.
It's supposed to be on the tape, yeah.
On tape? Wait,
tape.
You gotta put it more this way.
You know, like that.
Wait, mine's a little, can you do that? Is that good? That's right on the tape. Is that okay?
I think pull it right a little bit.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see this side. Hold this side real quick. Hold
Good,
this side.
good.
That's good, that's good. I wish I did it first.
Yeah. Alright, so my camera died, so I have to use my phone.
It is better though, to be honest.
So you're gonna have to peel it back, place it down a little bit, and then literally you're just gonna peel it. And then while you're peeling it, you're gonna push down to make sure the 3M holds. So
I'll push down on this side.
not too much, I need to be able to get under it. Okay? That. Oh shit.
Let go of your hand a little bit.
Let go.
Grab it from here. Grab it from here. Yeah. Doesn't sound good. I'm up here the side there. Good. I'm up here the side. It's kind of stuck there.
Yeah, that's what's enough to ours. And then let's get the last part. Oh no! Oh fuck! Oh, not good.
Gucci.
No.
Are you good? You good?
I fucked up.
No, that's good. Oh no.
Oh no! Oh fuck, dude.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh.
Yes, she did.
Fuck!
I always leave that, bro.
Oh, what the?
Yeah? Get a little plier.
He's like the.
Here, I get a little nail nurse.
Okay. So after you get on the spoiler with the tape, you're gonna want to hold it for like 2-3 minutes. Push it down, make sure it doesn't fly off, because you don't want this shit to hit another car. You don't want to, most importantly, lose this shit. It's expensive, man. But it looks pretty thick. My car looks thick now. Woo!
I like it.
I like it thick. You know what I'm saying?
Let me see how it goes with the badge.
That's why I was putting on emblem, so we're gonna put 3M right across here, and then 2 probably on the side. But I just want to test fit it, see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Oh shit!
Whoa.
It's okay, we're getting a new bumper. Don't matter. Oops. I think it should be fine though. I don't know. Yeah, it looks good though, but alright. So we put it on, and holy shit, this is crazy. Look at that. So I'm pretty excited. So this was a pretty easy install. Anyone can do it. You just gotta get 3M tape and a friend. Alright, see you guys.
I'm gon' blast off in the Bentley trucking. I be going so fast. I don't care. Bloody bottles like a demon. Put some VVs on my neck and now I'm freezing. Yeah, I'm freezing. You know I'm gon' blast off in the Bentley trucking. I be